As we know, Ricardo considered only two functions, two factors of production. That one of these is land and other is labor. He considered only these two types of production factor of production. According to Ricardo, land is changeable only in qualitative measure, not in quantitative measure. That is, at over the time, the fertility of land may be increases or may be decreases, but the quantity, all over the quantity of the land cannot be increases, not and not decreases, because it is the gift of nature. It is a natural resources, so obviously it is not changeable. Yeah, yeah. There is a condition where, as we know, in our country, if in comparison to ancient time period, at this time period, most of the land used in the production process, but still some of the land which is not used in production process. So these by including these lands in production process, we can increase our production and move on the way of economic growth. Ricardo considered two effects of economic growth. One is rent of landowner increases, and other is prices of labor, wage rate of labor increases. As the wage rate of labor increases, the cost of production also increases, and the result is that profit of industrialist or capitalist is decreases. So that's why economic growth also decreases, and there is a situation comes when the increase in economic growth vanishes. It is equals to zero, and the change in population is also equals to zero. This the change in population provides the labor force, labor for the production process. So when this change is equal to zero, economic growth definitely vanishes. According to Ricardo, it may be resolved from the by the use of technological reform, by the use of production, as increases the productivity of land, and 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 it may be also resolved from external trade, uh, by the use of external trade, and by doing the process of diversification. The problem problem of economic growth is also a problem of economic growth vanishes, is also resolved by the diversification. When we diversify and when we diversify towards the direction in which our production is maximum and cost of production is minimum, the profit increases. And also, when the profit increases, economic growth grows up. This is all over the view of Ricardo on economic growth. Thank you.